Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I haven't posted in the last few weeks because I had my exams and then I had my Easter holidays. Today we will be learning about a module. Let's start with what a module is. A module is a Python file that you can use with a set of functions that you can use in other Python files or Python programs. Today we are going to start learning about modules, and we'll start with let's open a new file called modules and let's start. You can also do this in your shell if you want. I'm going to do it in a file. So we'll start with importing the module, which is the way of telling the computer to get a book from a library. We are going to use the module turtle, so after import you can tell turtle. Then we are going to start a loop which will repeat 25 times, a for loop like this. Then we are going to shape our turtle into the shape of the turtle. So we have to write turtle.should do the function shape, and then we show what the shape will be. We can also say square or circle. Then we'll tell it what it should do. So now we'll do turtle.write 125, which is the way of telling the turtle to turn right in 125 degrees. Then we can also tell it that we want it to change its color. So turtle.color to tell that it should change its color, and then blue is the color that we want. Then we want it to go forward 125 pixels. Pixels is the way of steps or whatever you call it on the screen. So then we'll change the color again into green, and then we'll again tell it to go forward by 50 pixels like this. We can run it over here. A new screen will appear over here, and you can see that our turtle is drawing a shape. Once it finishes, it will close the window, and we can come back over here. Another example for a module would be, first we can delete this, or we can also keep it. I'm going to delete it, and it's called random. We are also going to start with importing it like normally, and then let's also add a new loop. Here we are using a function called randint by random, saying that it should choose a random integer between 0 and 20. So it should do it an amount of times between 0 and 20. First we wanted to print a number between 0 and 300. Then we wanted to print any of the letters that we have on our keyboard. Here for this we'll use random.choice. Randint makes sure that it chooses only integers. Random.choice can choose integers or even letters. If we run this in our shell, we'll see that it gave us what we asked for an amount of times. Bye, see you next video.